everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jen, and today on Craft Dominic I am doing a Undecorate with me and a Redecorate with me for kind of spring heading into the summer. I need to take down my Easter decor, and so I'm going to take that down and do a nice cleaning and refresh, and then I will decorate. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later, but for now I'm going to let you guys enjoy this to some music. I want to get on here and just say really quickly that it took me overnight to hit publish and then delete the video and then think about it some more and hit publish again, because I am not happy with my weight, although this is a weight loss journey I'm on with Weight Watchers, so I kind of have a before video to see where I was before I hit my goal weight, which is 85 pounds. This is not what this video is about, but I did just want to throw that out there, that it was very hard for me to hit publish because I'm very insecure with my size and people can be cruel. That said, let's get back to the video and what it's really about. Thanks, guys. Alright, so cleaning and redecorating has begun, and I'm still doing it. This is a really cute terracotta pot wreath that I got from Walmart in their spring section last year, but putting it away, a couple of them broke off, so I'm just going to re-glue them back on, and then I'm going to show you guys where I'm putting it. today's Undecorate and Clean and Redecorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll be back with another video probably Thursday or Friday this week. If there is something you saw in this video that you have a question about, please leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure and answer. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I sure appreciate it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again soon. Take care. Bye.